Yo, what's going on, man? Hey, man, I done jump stylish on y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all know what's going on. These right here will be back in stock in a minute. Man, we finna, man, get these jumps here right. All the way right. Better get them right, man. But I done jump stylish on y'all, man. Y'all know I got the gauge journey going on, man. So, I had to go and do some things, man. Got me an old package right here. I ain't seen it yet. Look, still sealed up. I ain't seen it. So we finna open it together. Put the camera right here. Finna open it together, man. Let me see what we got going on. God damn. Oh yeah, hey man, look. This book right here by Norman Vincent Peale. Hey man, this book helped me out a lot, man. It helped me out a lot, whole lot. Jump stylish. What's this right here? Okay, just let me know what's going on. Let me know what's going on. Peel that bite. Oh yeah. What's this? Was that supposed to be that for? Anyway. Jump stylish. Y'all see what's going on? Put some color on them things. So where I'm at, that's a 4, that's too big. Where I'm at a 10. So them 8s I don't need. Oh no, the 8 is the next one. 8 is the next one. It's the 10 what I'm in right now. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? Got them colors on there, man. Go up to this 8. And we about to do that today. But I also got my tapers right here that go in first. I think these steel colored though. Yeah, these right here, they steel colored. You know what I'm saying? Silver. Here go the 8 gauge. And they got this what it say? Single flare tunnel plugs. So these are single flares, flared on one side, and they got the roll band on the other side right here. So I don't need the two roll bands on it. But yeah, we gonna hit it with that right there, and then come back with the 8s. So these right here, these zeros right here. I don't know how big I'm gonna go. That's probably as big as I'm gonna go. This 0. But I got all. Here go a 0 right here. So yeah, man. Moving on with the journey, man. I'm gonna go in there tonight or later on today. Probably once I drop action off, go in there, man, and stretch this thing some more. You know. Yeah. But yeah, I just want to let y'all know that, man. Also, man, I really apologize for not vlogging as much as I have been. I'm just, like I said, I'm trying to transition to see if this is really what I want to do, man. I'm trying to focus on this clothing. I'm trying to focus on everything at one time. It's kind of overwhelming me. So, yeah. Just wanted to let y'all know that. But once I get in there to start with my ears, man, I'll let y'all know. I'll come back. Pick the camera, man, and then we'll just go from there. You dig what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Turn y'all around. Yeah, man. But y'all see the little 10 gauge, man. Man, hold on. And I got those sucking in the alcohol, man. I ain't really got no proper way to set up this camera, man. You know what I'm saying? This bathroom. So I'm gonna have to just, man, give y'all snippets of what I got going on, and then we'll just go from there, because I don't want to be hassling trying to hold the camera, put that in my ear, putting the camera in a perfect position to do that, and it's just a lot. So let me go on here, get everything set up. I'll take these out, and matter of fact, what I do with the also there, it's the old kit. So I'm gonna take these out and start tapering with these right here, and go from there, man. We're going up to an 8 jack. I wonder, can I just, I ain't gonna try it. Alright, man. Alright, y'all, so change of plans. So y'all know we jumped a size last time, so let's see if we can jump a size this time. So I was playing around with the 8, and felt like it was going in a little quickly, so moved up to the 6. So I'm gonna see what this 6 gonna do. If it go in, cool. If not, I can still go down to the 8. I mean, go back to the 8, but we're gonna see what this 6 gonna do. Just keep drumming sizes like that. Let's see. Yo, hey, I will say this one is a little different, and I'm assuming because it's so heavy, like I gotta actually hold it in place, and like, because if I don't, it'll fall back out backwards. So yeah, but I mean, it's going in. It's definitely it's going in there. It's going in there fine. I just can't let it go when I stop. So yeah, let's get it, man. Yo, so bike. I tried my best to get that 6 to fit, but it wouldn't, and I wasn't gonna force it. I ain't no dummy. I ain't gonna force it. So put them 8s in there, man. The 8s just went right in. That 6, man, you need a little persuading. So I ain't gonna worry about it. And I put my new ones in, the marbles. I put the marbles in there. I ain't gonna worry about it, man. In 30 days, we're gonna roll with this 6. Or we might can even get something else in there. I don't know. Might can drop down to a 4. I don't know. But I mean, it went in like I had like that much left. It just won't go past that. So I wasn't gonna force it. I'm finna tear my ear up, man, to try to prove no point. So yeah. And that was about it. I just wanted to show y'all that, man. I'm about to get back on my book, man. Sitting here in the cave, about to read some. You know what I'm saying? Get a little knowledge. Y'all see I got the whiteboard up here. I just put a whiteboard up today. I'm gonna put, man, maybe some scriptures up there, maybe some inserts from this book, and mostly stuff that gotta be done as far as the business, man. You know, I'm trying to move forward with that, with this business. So with that being said, man, I'm about to chill back for a second, read my book, and yeah, I'll check back with y'all in a minute.